Alright, we got another tip down. It's just barely getting tugged. There we go. There we go. Perch. Yeah. Got our first perch of the day. Alright, tip down, probably almost 10 incher. Nice, probably 10-inch perch. Hope we can catch some more. Nice perch. Got a nice perch on the pole. I had the drag set really loose so the northern didn't take it and run. Get him. Oh yeah, nice one. Big perch. Oh wow. Definitely the biggest perch of the day. Probably 11 incher, huh? Yeah. We're catching these perch on the bay and there's probably only 3 inches of ice, but it's super clear ice, so it's pretty strong. When we gotta kind of sneak up to the tip downs, otherwise they notice us and they'll swim away. But we probably got almost 10 fish. Another nice perch out here. This guy's probably 8 inches. We'll keep him. Got a perch. Little 8 incher probably, I would guess. My dad's got one over there. Nice one, it looks like keeper. Nice perch. They keep getting off in this hole, but we got this nice 9-inch perch probably. This is like the perfect size. Alright, this is what we caught today. We caught a nice couple, nice bunch of fish. In the morning, it was really good. It was just kind of non-stop fish, and then it just kind of stops immediately. There's only probably 4 inches ice maybe, but it's super slippery. We just got like 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of snow. And it's still snowing. We've seen a couple people fall through near the shore where it's really super shallow, but they just kind of stepped out. But bring a spud bar just in case. But there's enough ice to be out here and fishing, so I'm happy. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.